Well, here we are again, Old Guy Hiking Reviews. We're looking at the Wagon Wheel Trail today, which is in the Tonto National Forest, just outside of Payson, Arizona. It's supposed to be lots of cool waterfalls like this area here, some bouldering, and of course the water wheel. So let's strap on our backpacks, tighten up the shoes, and let's hit the trail. Okay, here we are at the Water Wheel Falls in Tonto Forest, just outside of Payson. This is a pretty good trail so far. I'm about 3/4, maybe a little more than that along, and it's mostly been walking on exposed bedrock. There's lots of that. You will find some slippery spots as there's water running over the rock in some places, and there's also places where there's fallen trees that are being used as a bridge. So if you have your trekking poles, and that will help for those of you that might have a balance issue. So bring your trekking poles, they'll help a lot. Other than that, it's been a pretty good trail. The weather's nice today. You just got to watch out for flash floods in this area, so I've been keeping my eye out for any kind of weather anomalies. I do see some clouds on the horizon, and believe me, I'm watching those. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching.